So for my proposal, I decided that I was going to do the Scorpius constellation and all of the different stars that make it up. Just a couple to note, like Antares, Shaula, and Lasath. I figured that this would be a good constellation to observe because constellations are beautiful, obviously, and honestly, I don't know many besides the Big and Little Dipper, so I wanted to expand my knowledge to something a little different. Also, I find Greek mythology quite interesting, and the story of Orion and the Scorpion has a great theme to it, so I thought that could be a cool one to observe. My plan on observing the Scorpius constellation is I'm going to drive to Gatineau Park on a nice Friday evening in mid to late June, and I'll do this about 2 hours after sunset, this way that there won't be any light pollution, and it'll be a nice dark sky, make it easier for me to see the constellation. Also, if it's dark enough, it might be able to let me see the red hue of Antares, which would be really cool. And observing the red hue of Antares is important because one of the main things that I wanted to learn from this observation is the visual difference between red supergiants and other stars that don't have that red hue. Also, I am hoping to learn / get better at discerning between the different constellations and recognizing the patterns of the stars that highlight them. This way, I can actually appreciate the different constellations and be able to pick them out from one another. And for this sketching aspect of this project, I'll be using my iPad and the app Procreate. That way I can get a nice drawing of it, and I might be able to add that little color to Antares for the picture. So that is the end of my proposal, and thank you so much for watching and sticking around.